Brain. The brain controls thoughts, memory, emotions, and body movements. Heart. The heart pumps blood throughout the entire human body. Lungs. The lungs help the body breathe oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Liver. The liver cleans blood and processes nutrients from food. Kidney. Kidneys filter waste from blood and produce urine. Stomach. The stomach breaks down food using acid and digestive enzymes. Intestine. Intestines absorb nutrients and move waste through the body. Bone. Bones support the body and protect vital organs. Skull. The skull protects the brain and shapes the head. Head. The head contains the brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Eyes. The eye allows people to see light, colors, and shapes. Eyelid. Eyelids protect the eyes and keep them moist. Eyelash. Eyelashes protect eyes from dust and small particles. Ear. The ear helps people hear sounds and maintain balance. Nose. The nose helps people smell and breathe air. Mouth. The mouth helps people eat food and speak words. Chin. The chin forms the lower front part of the face. Cheek. Cheeks help shape the face and assist chewing. Forehead. The forehead is the upper part of the face. Eyebrows. Eyebrows protect eyes from sweat and express emotions. Neck. The neck supports the head and connects it to body. Hair. Hair grows from the scalp and helps protect the head. Mustache. A mustache is facial hair growing above the upper lip. Beard. A beard is facial hair growing on the chin and cheeks. Tongue. The tongue tastes food and helps move food while chewing. Teeth. Teeth cut and grind food into smaller pieces. Shoulder. Shoulders connect arms to the body and allow movement. Skin. Skin protects the body from germs and regulates temperature. Chest. The chest protects vital organs like heart and lungs. Ribs. Ribs protect important organs like heart and lungs. Abdomen. The abdomen contains digestive organs like stomach and intestines. Legs. Legs support body weight and help people walk. Thigh. The thigh is the upper part of the leg. Knee. Knees allow legs to bend while walking or running. Ankle. Ankles connect feet to legs and allow movement. Heel. The heel is the back part of the foot. Feet. Feet support body weight and help maintain balance. Toes. Toes help balance the body during standing or walking. Arm. Arms help people lift, push, pull, and carry objects. Elbow. Elbows allow arms to bend and move easily. Forearm. The forearm is the part of the arm between elbow and wrist. Wrist. Wrists connect hands to arms and allow flexible movement. Hand. Hands help people hold, touch, and manipulate objects. Fingers. Fingers help people grasp objects and perform precise tasks. Palm. The palm is the inner surface of the hand. Thumb. The thumb helps grip objects strongly and precisely. Nails. Nails are hard coverings that protect the tips of fingers and toes.